If you're looking for an amazing multifunctional cooking pot, you're going to want to check this one out. This is exactly what it looks like. Before we get into that, these are some of the features right over here. You see the power rating, the capacity. So this is the 6.0 liters. You got the 120 voltage watts. Really nice. So this is exactly what it looks like over here. What I like right off the bat about this is it comes in 3 pieces. So you have this element right over here. Then you have this pot right over here. And of course, this lid over here. Why I like that is it makes it super easy to store, which is great. We also have these really cool handles here, so these won't get hot, so you can just easily pick those up. Then when we come down here, we have the power right over here. We got different levels over here that we could turn on to get this going. And then over here, we have a timer. So we could set this timer if you want to do 20 minutes. Once 20 minutes hits, it will automatically shut off. You don't have to worry about that at all, which is really nice. The knobs work really great. It just makes it super easy to use and to work. Just really like this a lot. Also like the fact that we got a clear lid here so you can see exactly what is going on inside. And this is super easy to clean as well. So if you're looking for a great multifunctional cooking pot, definitely check this one out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I can do this review.